Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Ford Everest. The 2026 Ford Everest blends toughness, luxury, and advanced technology, making it an ideal SUV for both adventure and daily use. Exterior, strong and stylish. Confident look, a wider grille, LED matrix headlights, and daytime running lights give it a bold front. Sleek design. Smooth lines and sculpted bodywork improve efficiency and appearance. Ready for trails. High ground clearance and 20 or 21-inch alloy wheels make it off-road capable. Interior. Luxurious and spacious. High-quality materials. Leather seats, soft-touch surfaces, and customizable ambient lighting. Roomy cabin. Seats up to 7 people with adjustable cargo space. Advanced tech. A 14-inch touchscreen with the SYNC 4A system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bang & Olufsen audio for top-notch sound. Performance, powerful and efficient. Engine options. 3.0L turbocharged V6 diesel for strong towing and off-road performance. A hybrid engine with 320 horsepower for better fuel economy. Smooth drive. A 10-speed automatic transmission ensures responsive shifts. Off-road features. Terrain modes for sand, mud, rock, and snow, plus locking rear differential. Technology. Safe and smart. Ford Co-Pilot 360. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. 360-degree camera. Helps with city driving and off-road challenges. Convenience features. Wireless charging, USB-C ports, and over-the-air updates. Eco-friendly options. Hybrid and plug-in hybrid models reduce emissions while maintaining strong performance. Pricing. Base model starts at $45,000. Platinum trim, around $65,000, with premium features included. Conclusion. The 2026 Ford Everest is a versatile SUV that combines strength, luxury, and innovation. Whether tackling rough terrains or city streets, it's ready for every adventure. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.